Today, we're taking a full look at a camper van that tries to give you the freedom of van life without making you feel like you are sacrificing comfort. This is the $150,000 Thor Sequence Ram Pro Master Camper Van, a tiny off-grid home on wheels that packs a surprising amount of living space, technology, and travel freedom into a compact Class B setup. From the outside, the Thor Sequence looks clean, modern, and practical. It's built on the Ram Pro Master platform, which is one of the most popular chassis choices for camper vans in the United States because of its road-friendly size, tall roof, front-wheel drive layout, and easy driving character. Unlike giant motorhomes that can feel intimidating, this van looks approachable. It feels like something you can actually take into cities, campgrounds, mountain roads, and beach parking spots without as much stress. And that is exactly the appeal here. The Thor Sequence is not trying to be the biggest RV on the market. It's trying to be the smarter one. It's trying to give you enough comfort to travel for days, weekends, or even longer adventures while keeping the whole experience simple, flexible, and efficient. The first thing you notice is how well the van balances style and utility. You have a sleek body shape, clean lines, dark accents, and the kind of proportions that make it look modern instead of bulky. You can imagine the side awning extending out over a campsite, the LED exterior lights turning on after sunset, and the doors opening to reveal a compact but very intentional interior. This is the kind of camper van that looks adventure-ready before you even step inside. Once you open the side door, the whole point of this van becomes clear. The interior is all about maximizing space. Every inch has a job. The front cabin can transition into part of the living area. The seating can become a lounge. The kitchen is compact but capable. The sleeping zone is designed for comfort, and the systems in the background make it possible to spend serious time off the grid. The driving area is one of the most important parts of any camper van because this is both your vehicle and your home. In the Thor Sequence, the cab feels modern and user-friendly. Visibility is good, the seats are comfortable, and the dashboard gives you a practical touring feel. This matters because long road trips are only fun if the drive itself is comfortable. Nobody wants a beautiful van that becomes exhausting after 2 hours behind the wheel. The ProMaster platform helps a lot with that. It has a boxy shape that creates more interior room, especially in height and width, and that extra space changes the experience inside. It means the van does not feel as cramped as many people expect. You can move around more naturally, stand more comfortably, and enjoy a living area that feels more like a tiny apartment than a basic cargo van conversion. Another clever feature is the way the front seats can become part of the living space once you are parked. Instead of wasting the cab area, the space blends into the rest of the layout. That is one of the best things about a well-designed Class B camper. It does not just add features, it makes every zone work harder. The lounge and dining area may be small, but it gives you a place to sit, eat, relax, or even work on a laptop. Imagine parking near a lake, opening the door for fresh air and sitting with a coffee while planning the next stop. In a camper van like this, the indoor and outdoor lifestyle blend together. You are never fully separated from the environment around you, and that is a big part of the appeal. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because a lot of people judge a camper van by how usable the kitchen really is. In the Thor Sequence, the galley is built to be compact but practical. You get a 2-burner gas cooktop, a stainless steel sink, storage drawers and cabinets, and a work area that feels much more useful than its size suggests. There's even a pop-up outlet setup, which is one of those small features that makes daily use easier. You can charge devices, plug in small appliances, and keep the space clean when not in use. That is the theme throughout this van. Small details matter. A glass cover over the cooktop can give you extra prep space when you are not cooking. Hidden storage can keep clutter under control. Good lighting can make the interior feel warmer and larger. These are the kinds of choices that separate a basic camper van from one that feels premium and thoughtfully built. The refrigerator is another key part of the setup. If you want real travel freedom, you need to carry food, drinks, and simple meal ingredients without depending on stores every few hours. The ability to keep things cold turns the van from a weekend toy into a serious road trip machine. Storage in a van like this is never just a bonus. It is one of the most important design challenges. The Thor sequence uses overhead cabinets, kitchen drawers, hidden compartments, and underbed or underseat storage to keep the living space tidy. If a van cannot hide your gear properly, it quickly starts to feel messy and stressful. But when storage is well integrated, even a compact space can feel calm and organized. Now let's move to the sleeping area because sleep quality is everything on the road. This is where the Thor sequence tries to prove that a small van can still feel comfortable at the end of a long day. Depending on the layout, you are getting a bed arrangement designed for two people, and the sleeping zone aims to be practical, cozy, and easy to use. That matters a lot. The best camper beds are the ones you do not have to fight with every single night. After a long drive, a hike, or a day spent filming, exploring, or working remotely, you want a sleeping area that feels inviting. Soft lighting, storage for essentials, nearby charging access, and a sense of privacy all make a difference. In a van, comfort is not just about size. It is about how well the space supports the way you actually live. And then there is the bathroom question, which is always one of the first things people ask. Can a compact van really include a bathroom and still remain practical? In the Thor sequence, that compact bathroom or wet bath setup is part of what makes it feel more complete as a travel home. It may not be huge, but having a toilet and shower capability changes the experience dramatically. It means more independence. It means fewer compromises. It means you are less dependent on public facilities or campground buildings. For many buyers, that single feature is what moves a van from cool adventure vehicle into genuine travel home. Because once you have a kitchen, bed, bathroom, and lounge, you are not just camping anymore. You are carrying a compact lifestyle with you. Now let's get into what really makes this Thor sequence stand out: the off-grid capability. This van is designed to be more than a plug-in campsite vehicle. It is meant to let you camp away from hookups and still enjoy the essentials of modern comfort. The sequence line is described with dual 100 amp-hour lithium house batteries, a 190-watt solar panel, and a 3,000-watt inverter. That means it is built with real off-grid ambitions in mind. This power setup is a huge part of the value. It allows you to run lights, charge electronics, support kitchen functions, keep the fridge running, and live a much more flexible travel lifestyle. Solar on the roof helps feed the batteries during the day, while the inverter gives you the ability to power AC-style loads. That makes the van far more capable than older camper setups that required constant campground hookups. There is also the Rapid Camp Plus system, which adds convenience and makes the whole van feel more modern. Instead of treating every system as a separate headache, it helps simplify setup and control. That means less time fiddling with switches and more time actually enjoying where you are. And of course, a Thule LED awning may sound like a smaller feature, but it adds a lot to the experience. One of the best parts of van life is the area just outside the van. That becomes your patio, your outdoor dining room, your shade zone, and your social space. Extend the awning, put out a couple of chairs, maybe a small table, and suddenly the van feels twice as big. This is where the Thor sequence becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes a base camp. You can wake up with mountain air, make breakfast inside, step outside under the awning, and spend the day hiking, filming, relaxing, or simply enjoying being somewhere different. Then at night, you come back to your own bed, your own lighting, your own storage, and your own little world on wheels. That kind of freedom is hard to measure. Yes, $150,000 is serious money. Some people will instantly say that is too much for a van, and honestly, that is fair. It is a premium product. But the reason people pay for something like this is not just the hardware, it is the lifestyle. It is the ability to leave on a Friday, disappear into nature, and bring your essentials with you. It is the flexibility to travel without booking hotels, eating every meal out, or giving up basic comfort. And compared to a giant RV, there are clear advantages. A camper van like the Thor sequence is easier to drive, easier to park, easier to store, and often easier to live with for people who do not want a massive motorhome. It fits a certain kind of traveler perfectly: couples, solo adventurers, digital nomads, and road trip lovers who want convenience without going oversized. It is also ideal for people who value mobility more than square footage. A big house gives you space. A van like this gives you options. It lets you change your backyard every day. One morning you can wake up by a lake. The next day you can be in the desert. The next week you can be parked near the coast. That is the beauty of this kind of setup. There is also something deeply satisfying about efficient design. A home this small only works if every feature earns its place. That makes the van feel intentional. Nothing is random. The bed, the kitchen, the bathroom, the power system, the storage, the seating, the lights, the awning, all of it exists to support movement, comfort, and independence. And that is why tiny homes on wheels have become so attractive. They are not just about downsizing, they are about prioritizing. You give up excess space, but in return you gain flexibility, spontaneity, and a different kind of luxury, the luxury of going where you want, when you want. So, is the $150,000 Thor Sequence Ram Pro Master camper van worth it? That depends on what kind of life you want. If you want huge square footage, residential-style room sizes, and a fully fixed home base, then no, a van like this is not going to replace a house. But if your dream is mobility, off-grid travel, practical comfort, and the freedom to bring your home with you, then the Thor Sequence makes a very strong case. It combines the approachable size of a Class B camper van with enough smart features to feel premium. It gives you a compact kitchen, sleeping for two, a bathroom solution, useful storage, off-grid power, solar support, and a travel-friendly layout built on a proven Ram Pro Master platform. And perhaps most importantly, it offers a lifestyle that many people dream about. A lifestyle where the road is always open, the next stop is always unknown, and home is wherever you decide to park. That is what makes the Thor Sequence interesting. It is not just a van, it is a compact, off-grid travel home that turns movement into comfort and adventure into everyday life. For the right buyer, that is not just appealing, that is the dream.